Hello and welcome. Today, we'll talk about the top programming languages to focus on in 2026 and how to choose the right one for your goals. There isn't a single best language. The right choice depends on what you want to do, your current skills, and the opportunities you're aiming for. Over the next 9 minutes, I'll walk you through 5 key languages, what they're commonly used for, and who should consider learning them. Before we jump into the list, let's pause for a moment and talk about how to make a smart choice. Learning a programming language is not just about what's popular on social media or what everyone else is learning. It's about understanding your direction. Start by asking yourself one simple question. What do I actually want to build? If your interest is web development, the languages you choose will be very different from someone who wants to work in data science, mobile applications, or system-level programming. Next, be honest about your current level. Are you a complete beginner who needs something easy to start with? Are you an intermediate developer looking to specialize? Or are you experienced and aiming for more advanced or high-performance roles? Each stage requires a different approach, and choosing the wrong language for your level can slow you down. Then comes one of the most important factors, time. How much time can you realistically dedicate every week? Learning a language properly takes consistency. A language that fits your schedule and learning pace will always be more valuable than the trendy one you can't keep up with. Python is known for its simplicity and flexibility, which makes it one of the most beginner-friendly programming languages in the world. Its clean and readable syntax allows new learners to focus on problem-solving rather than complex language rules, while still being powerful enough for large-scale, real-world applications. What truly sets Python apart is its massive real-world adoption. Over the past few years, Python has consistently ranked at or near the top of global programming language indexes, like the TIOBA Index and Stack Overflow developer surveys. According to recent industry reports, Python is one of the most commonly used languages by developers working in data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Major companies such as Google, Netflix, Instagram, and Spotify actively use Python in their tech stacks for data analysis, automation, recommendation systems, and back-end services. The rapid growth of AI and data-driven decision-making has further accelerated Python's demand, especially since most leading AI frameworks and tools are built around it. For beginners, Python offers a smooth and practical entry into programming. For working professionals or career switchers, it provides a direct path into high-growth fields like data science, AI, and automation without requiring deep low-level programming knowledge up front. Its vast ecosystem of libraries, strong community support, and continuous development ensure that Python remains relevant and future-proof. In short, Python is not just popular because it's easy. It's popular because it works at scale, solves real problems, and aligns perfectly with where the tech industry is heading. JavaScript is the backbone of modern web development. According to tech industry reports, it remains one of the most widely used programming languages in the world. From simple websites to complex web applications, JavaScript powers almost everything you see online today. Major tech companies rely on JavaScript to create fast, interactive, and user-friendly experiences. Whether it's animations, live updates, or dynamic content, JavaScript runs directly in the browser and makes modern websites possible. Now, taking things even further, many companies are adopting TypeScript. TypeScript is a modern version of JavaScript that adds extra safety and structure to the code. Industry experts often recommend it for large-scale applications because it helps reduce bugs and makes projects easier to maintain as they grow. Because of this, JavaScript and TypeScript are now essential skills for web developers and full-stack engineers. With popular frameworks like React, Angular, and Node.js, developers can build everything from startup products to enterprise-level platforms. As demand for web technologies continues to rise, companies worldwide are actively hiring JavaScript and TypeScript developers. If you're planning a career in programming, these languages are not just popular, they're powerful, future-proof, and full of opportunities. We've seen Python for beginners and web development with JavaScript. Now let's look at Java, the powerhouse of enterprise software. Java has been one of the most trusted programming languages for decades, especially for back-end systems and enterprise software. In fact, over 90% of Fortune 500 companies still rely on Java for mission-critical systems because of its reliability, scalability, and security. One reason businesses choose Java is its write once, run anywhere approach, allowing code to run on multiple platforms without major changes. Perfect for large, complex systems. Stability is another key factor. Industries like banking and finance use Java to handle massive transactions securely, powering payment systems, trading platforms, and real-time services. Modern tools like Spring Boot and Quarkus make Java even more relevant, helping developers build scalable, cloud-ready applications efficiently. From a career perspective, Java developers are in high demand, particularly for back-end, cloud, and enterprise roles. Whether it's fintech, enterprise software, or modernizing legacy systems, learning Java offers long-term stability and strong career opportunities. When it comes to learning programming languages, starting with C and C++ gives you an incredibly strong foundation. These languages teach you the fundamentals of programming, how computers manage memory, and how to optimize performance at a low level. Understanding these concepts is crucial if you want to work in system-level programming, embedded systems, or even competitive programming. Even if later in your career you move on to higher-level languages like Python or JavaScript, the knowledge you gain from C and C++ stays with you. Concepts like pointers, memory allocation, and efficient algorithms will make you a much stronger programmer in the long run. Essentially, learning C and C++ is like learning the language of computers itself. It gives you insight into how software really interacts with hardware. Now, on the other hand, we have Rust and Go, which are much newer languages designed to solve modern development challenges. Rust is focused on safety and speed. It prevents common programming errors like memory leaks or data races, which makes it ideal for building high-performance systems that are also reliable. Go, sometimes called Golang, has become very popular for cloud-native applications, microservices, and large-scale distributed systems. Its simplicity and concurrency features make it a favorite among startups and global tech companies. While Rust and Go are less common than older languages, mastering them can make you stand out in the job market. They open doors to international opportunities and allow you to work on cutting-edge projects that involve performance-critical or scalable systems. So, whether you start with C and C++ to learn the core principles or jump into Rust and Go for modern applications, each path offers unique benefits that can shape your career as a software developer. Choosing a programming language is not about predicting the future or chasing what's trending this year. It's about making a clear, practical decision and committing to it long enough to get real results. Identify your goal, choose one core language, and stick with it. Depth will always beat variety in the long run. Pair that language with a skill that's actually used in the industry. Build real projects, and accept that progress takes time. There are no shortcuts, and there's no single language that guarantees success. What creates opportunities is consistency, problem-solving ability, and real experience. If you focus on mastery instead of noise, by 2026 you won't just know a language. You'll be someone who can build, debug, and deliver. And that's what employers and clients actually care about. Make the decision, commit, and start putting in the work today. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, subscribe my channel,